This is Claire with another episode of encouragement for you today. In this episode, I will continue with the series on finding hope in times of loss. As I mentioned in part 1 of this series, we recently lost our dear mama, and this has been a tough season of grieving, sorrow, and feeling the loss of a dear mother. And so in this episode, I'll mainly concentrate on sharing my experience with how I've been dealing with grieving and the loss, the pain of the loss. I'm not a psychologist, neither am I a counselor, but I'm just discussing how I've navigated through this season with you. There have been moments that I felt intense sorrow. There have been moments that I felt guilt, asking myself if I was there, could that have made any difference? I've gone through moments of feeling and asking questions, and all that has taken time and helped with navigating through this season. I have been learning to journal my thoughts and emotions, just to write down what is it that I'm feeling in this season. And once I've written that down, I try to process it with myself and asking myself a couple of questions. Why am I feeling this way? Of course, it's a season of loss, but then is there anything else that I should be concentrating on and not just the loss? And as a believer in life after death, I found just thinking about the life after this life something fascinating in this season, and the hope of resurrection has been an encouragement that this is not just the end, this is just a pause, and one day there will be a season where we shall meet again in eternal glory. I know there's still a long journey ahead. I'm not going to try to rush through the season, but I know that healing one day will occur. I pray every single day, and I pray for those that are listening to this series who are going through one loss or the other, that they will also receive that grace to heal. Until next time, always remember what you're going through, you're not alone. There's somebody else on this planet who's going through a similar thing, and be encouraged knowing that whichever season it is, it will surely one day come to an end.